Hi everyone, this is Anu from Dwance, and I'm here with a tutorial for our latest choreography on a popular song called Swag.
Hands up in the air, tap right foot in the front twice, march, march, left foot twice, march, march. Again, right two taps, right and left two taps, left and right. Right tap, turn, unturn, left tap, turn, unturn, right tap, keeping the hands in the center. Make a fist and tap on the right twice and shake your waist 3 times. Feminine step. Now the masculine style. Stomp on the right twice and bump the elbow on the left 2 times. One hand in the air alternatively and shake your waist from side to side with a slap. And slap. Now left side. Good. Let's do step touch, double step touch. Now on the left, single, single, and double step touch. Hands in the center, step touch, double, step touch, double. Make sure your hands make the hang loose sign and rotates in front of each other. Again, single, single, double, hang loose, single, single, left side, hang loose. Take the right leg back, tap and center. Now knee bounce and a knee bounce. Left leg, same thing. Bounce the knee, shake it out. Right back and center, shake and shake. Left back and center, bounce it with a shake. Press the palms to the front, lean front, and jump side to side, double, side to side, and double. Now take that left leg, cross it diagonally with arms crossed, and then step back and forth 4 times. One more time. Press it out. Right, left, double, right, double, left. Cross, uncross, cross, uncross, cross, uncross, and uncross. Let's learn to bounce that knee. Bounce it by bending it forward. Single, single, double on the right. The hands go with a rolling march. Dunk that ball into the basket. Single, single, double. Give me a rolling march. Right, left, left. Hands pretend to dunk that ball into the basket. Throw it in the basket. There we go. And do 1 set on each side. Chorus step, hand wave join, salute, salute, crossing, and then shake the waist 3 times. Give me 4 sets, followed by the march, march, rotating on each side with that slap. One more time, hand wave join, cross and cross, center shake, 2 and 3 and 4. Good job. We're going to learn the up and down step touch on each side. We're going to go up and down, Use your knees. And now the hands go up and down along with the body. And then you go forward, walk 4 times, and same thing on the left side, up and down, then go backward. The chest goes up and down, and the core shakes in the center, both sides. And then you take a nice wave to the back. Chest goes up, down, core goes center shake, back and back. One more time. Up, down, center, back and back. Now single, single, double, and throw that ball into the basket with a rolling march. Left side. Throw the ball with a rolling march, followed by the wave, join, cross, cross, shake the middle 4 times. Great job, everyone. Enjoy this dance along.
Cause you know there ain't no other way. Love is the message, eh? Y'all ready? Let's go.
Yeah, we can make it better, yeah. When we come together, yeah. All you got is me, and yeah, all I got is you. Ishq se aage kuch nahi kuch कुछ नहीं कुछ नहीं कुछ इश्क बिना कुछ नहीं
इश्क से ऊंचा कुछ नहीं कुछ इश्क से बढ़कर कुछ नहीं कुछ इश्क से अच्छा कुछ नहीं कुछ इश्क बिना कुछ नहीं
चाहे जो आए लेके दिल में इश्क मोहब्बत सबको गले लगाना अपने कल्चर की है आदत स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत मिलके चलता चल मसले करके होगा कल ये सबसे कहते रहना
रहना बनके दिल दी है मंजिल पे तुमने सबका है ये कहना कहना
चाहे जो आए लेके दिल में इश्क की इबादत सबको गले लगाना अपने कल्चर की है आदत स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत Y'all ready to bring the riff back स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत